Hey, Dewy.McDonald here with Guaranty RVs. I got a brand new 2018 T285 is the model number, Torque, Heartland Torque toy hauler, travel trailer. Come on down, let's go take a peek inside. Going up, we got a nice big grab handle in the back here to climb up. So in the back here, these are couches that fold up to the side so you can sit in the couches. And then actually see the ramps right there, that's for the patio deck. So it lays down to a patio. Queen size bed, so these fold up really high. Actually, and then the bottom one actually goes up too, so you can get your toys in. And then you got cross ventilation with windows on both sides. You got a screen here that goes across, so privacy curtain. More windows here, little ventilation. You got your chairs, little swivel rockers right there. This actually is part of the slide out right here. This folds up flat against the wall, so when you bring your slide out in, so your toy's going to come in here. You got a lot of room from the back to the front. This looks like 14, 16 feet. You got big cabinetry above us here. A lot of storage above. You got residential type hinges. You got day and night shades right there. Stereo system on the back here. So Bluetooth capable, more storage there. Fuse panel down here. Has pre-wired for solar. Here's your controls for your heater. You got your Dometic refrigerator, freezer. Nice size with storage. This is gas or electric. Storage also above. You got your TV here on a swivel bracket. Air conditioning above us. All LED lights with a ceiling fan above us. So this is kind of a new floor plan. So you got a nice corner kitchen with a big stainless steel one sink here. You got your glass top, so it gives you more counter space. Pulls up, little 3-burner. Oven, it's got the new oven with the glass door in it. You got your microwave there with a fan hood. And then you got a nice pantry here, big pantry. So, and this cabinets below here, storage for below us. Then you walk into the walk-around bedroom. So you got walk-around on both sides, storage underneath there. Store some goodies. It's got a king-size mattress here, so it's kind of cool. So you're starting to get those in some trailers now. Storage on both sides. Above us, charging station. There's you can start your generator from right in here, because toy haulers come with generators. Cross ventilation, fan above us. There's a bracket right here. There's a spot for you can actually put a TV. So they've put a bracket behind it. And then you go into your bathroom, so you can walk all the way through. So you got a nice glass shower. So these are really nice. They open up really good. Lots of height for a tall guy. And this is kind of nice having good storage for the bathroom, which is always a good thing. Toilet right there. You got a nice countertop here with your sink. More storage above us. Lots of cabinets. Great bathroom for this toy hauler. So you got access both ways to the doors in the bedroom coming out or the outside. So the carpet kit rolls up. You got tie downs clear up here to the front. Portable movable tables, for put tables around there. There's actually one you can take outside even. So you've got the nice dome shape now on the roof, which helps with water drainage and stuff. The newer trailers are starting to do that. It's pretty awesome. You got a little curtain back there in the back, so when you set the patio down, you've got a little privacy curtain back there. Here's all your control center, your lights, your awnings, and all that good stuff right there. Double axle, obviously. Here's your water storage. You got a bracket for mounting an exterior TV. Plug in right there. You also got cable hookups and stuff right there. 2 doors. Door into the bedroom so you can load. We'll go around the back. This actually has electric awning. Big awning, covers the outdoor speakers. These are actually electric jacks. So you got electric jacks on all 4 corners. There's your ramp door with the LED lights, pre-wired for a backup camera. on the top. So you got nice big latches, locking latches for the back door. And like I said, this one's actually lays down flat into a patio deck. So your ladder, for getting up on top, folds up against the side, just unpins. Here's your fuel for your hoses and stuff for that. Here's where you put your tank fuel in for your toy haulers and your generator. Cable, satellite, power hookup. Here's the slide. So this is a great big slide. That, remember that kitchen slid out. So that's nice, new floor plan this year. So you got a Onan 4,000 watt generator right in here. Push button start from inside, electric start. On the front, you got LED lights with the front gel cap, the two big tanks, the power tongue jacks, which is nice. You got a spot for your batteries here, 2 batteries. So if you're looking for a good toy hauler, you can haul some, a lot of equipment in, this is the one right here, the Torque 285. Come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.